Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Gadgets. Today we're going to review the brand new Redmi Smart Band Pro smartwatch. We will be seeing what we have in the box, the design, what materials it is made of, and what options we have in the software. We will run some tests and try some of the measurements and see if this watch is worth buying. In the next video, we'll see how to connect with Android and iOS, which app it uses, and what options we have in these apps. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So, let's begin here immediately with the new Redmi Smart Band Pro. Here we have the box, so let's unwrap it and have a look at what's inside. On the box, we can see some of the specifications and features that the watch has. As you can see in the box we have the watch, and you can see it's a really beautiful compact watch and light and easy to use. Underneath we have the charging cable which we use to charge our watch, which uses magnetic charging. It packs a 200 mAh battery that is said to deliver about 14 days under normal usage or 20 days in power saving mode. We also have the manual that shows us how to use it, so if you want you can give it a read before you try it. The device adopts the usual accelerometer, gyroscope, and PPG heart rate monitor. A light sensor for automatic display brightness adjustment is also at hand. Using those sensors, the device can detect more than 110 types of workouts and 15 of those are professional modes, as per Redmi. Spo2, blood oxygen, tracking is also on the list of features. It features a 1.47-inch AMOLED panel with 450 nits of maximum brightness and 282 ppi. It's protected by 2.5D tempered glass while the body is made of polycaprolactam, type of nylon, plastic, reinforced with glass fiber. It is 42.05 mm in length, 24.45 mm in width, and 10.15 mm in thickness with very durable glass, and it weighs around 15 g including the strap. Also, this watch has a waterproof level of 5 bar and it can go under 50 m underwater, so no more worries about sweat, rainwater, or swimming. We have here a pink strap and screen protection. We will put it on Redmi Band to protect our watch screen. Also we will change the strap to our watch and we will see how it will look with a pink strap. Thus it will have been more suitable for women. So, let's go inside and see what options and apps we have on Redmi Smart Band Pro. If you swipe down you have the notifications which you receive on your phone, also you can open and read those. If you swipe right, you can see some of the widgets we have set up, like heart rate where you can monitor and see your statistics on your heart rate and also measure it if you want, Spo2 monitoring to measure the oxygen in our blood and our previous and average records. Then we have weather where you can program your city with GPS, workout you can. Start it, status you can see all your exercises done, calories burnt and distance traveled, etc. If you swipe left, you have options like light you can use your watch screen like light, alarm you can add any alarm, also you can enable or disable the raise to wake option, do not disturb option, always on, and settings. If you swipe up, it will show you the home screen with all the apps inside which right now are on a list view, like workout supports more than 110 plus fitness modes to help you keep a track of the burned calories, heart rate changes, and workout durations. Redmi Smart Band Pro can automatically detect 3 fitness modes: treadmill, outdoor running, and outdoor walking. Just start your workout and the Band Pro has got you covered. Find more comprehensive metrics tracking with 15 professional modes like outdoor running, walking, treadmill, trekking, hiking, outdoor walking, etc. Next, we have activity which records tracks all your workout done. We don't have any records. Next, we have status which records tracks all your steps, calories burned and distance traveled. Next up, we've got heart rate monitoring to measure our heart rating and our recorded measurements. Spo2 monitoring to measure the oxygen in our blood and our previous and average records. Sleep monitoring helps you establish a regular bedtime routine and keeps track of your sleep trends night after night. It also has apps like Stress to test your blood pressure and stress levels. Next, we have the breathing app. Cycles Band predicates the transitions of your female cycle stages even before your body does. Whether to see our current and upcoming weather and any information you want about the weather conditions. Next, have music to you can remotely your player on the phone when we're connected, also in camera you can remotely. Next, we have alarms to add or remove any alarm, stopwatch, timer to set up anytime you want. Then we've got notifications to see our recent notifications from our phones like Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, TikTok, etc. Also, we have apps like Find My Phone which help you look for your phone. Next up, we've got light. Then on the bottom, we've got settings where we have options like band display. We have some of the faces we can choose from to change it, and you can change it in an instant by choosing it. As you can see, we can change the face, and if we press on the watch face and hold on to it for 5 seconds. The brightness to leave whatever brightness we see fit, from 1 to 5, or auto adjust. The do not disturb option to turn it on or off, to schedule it, or to put it on smart mode where it will begin when you go to sleep. Next up, we've workout, and we can activate the auto detect option for running and walking. Next, we have pin. We can set the pin code here. Also, we can activate Bluetooth disconnection reminder. Next up, we have display. Here we can set auto lock time, the screen timeout option from 5 to 20 seconds, always on settings, and cover to sleep. Next, we have vibration setting. Choose the level of the vibration as we please. To system option, we have reboot and reset if we want to get back to default or we want to connect with another phone. And in the and we about where it shows the info about our watch. Now we're going to put on the watch and test some of the measurement options for ourselves. First up, let's go to the heart rate monitor, which constantly will measure your heart rate and can show you your previous and average heart rate. It will take a bit, then it will show us our heart rate. Redmi Smart Band Pro tracks your real-time heart rate 24 hours a day and delivers precise reviews in easy-to-read graphs. The band will vibrate to alert when your heart rates fall out of the safe zone. Next, let's try the Spo2 measurement and measure our O2 levels. This takes some time and it shows your current state of O2 levels and also shows your previous and average O2 levels. Blood oxygen saturation Spo2 is a key indicator of a person's overall health, reflecting the oxygen levels in the blood. The band grants your peace of mind by testing the blood oxygen level automatically during sleep and manually whenever you need star. So, this is pretty much it for the watch. I really enjoyed reviewing this model and it's a really great watch, so I really liked it. It's really easy to use, pretty fast, and has everything you would want in a watch. In the next video, we will see how to connect it with Android and iOS, which apps it uses, and what options we have in these apps, so stay tuned for that. So, guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart device.